Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone out there. I'm Jessica and wow, am I excited to be in Rio de Janeiro. One of my must-dos when I'm here is walk down Copacabana Beach and you're invited to join me. Let's check out the three Siemens' Sun, Sand, and Samb. Before I start, click like and put down a comment. I'd love to hear from you. With the bright sunlight just starting to warm up the city, you can feel the anticipation for the day begin to build. We make our way down the famous white and black mosaic pathway known as the Avenida Atlantica. You can't help but notice the handsome palm trees that line both sides of the walkway. Strolling further, we make our way to the long stretch of amazingly vibrant golden sand. As we take in the scenery, the smell of salt water and sand is ever present. Constructed grandly in front of us was the iconic Copacabana Fort. Its majestic walls and spires stand true as a reminder of how beauty never fades. The tropical surrounding is a refreshing and captivating sight, and once we continue to saunter, many shadow boxers and skillful joggers have taken the streets for their morning workouts. Without a doubt, after days of exploring, this is the place to crash and relax. As the sun climbs higher, we reach the source of all the music. The drummers and sambistas are out full force. It's the sound of freedom and joy that puts a smile on all of us in the crowd. The steady beat keeps us moving and grooving, accompanied by well-crafted dancing that lifts our spirits, and quite honestly, it's something we can't find anywhere else. Well, this wraps up my walking tour of Copacabana Beach. I hope it's inspired you to come and explore the magic of Rio de Janeiro. If this video brought you a bit of joy, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out the more videos we have here. I can't wait to see you in the comments section.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!